Wow, have you ever seen 1,000 drones light up the night sky? If you haven't, you need to see this. We're talking about the Vijit Chao Phraya 2025 festival in Bangkok, and let me tell you, it's absolutely epic. The main event that has everyone buzzing is the incredible Hanuman through the Ring of Fire drone show. Seriously, it's something straight out of a movie. Imagine this. You're standing by the beautiful Chao Phraya River near the historic Memorial Bridge. Suddenly, the sky goes dark, and then 1,000 synchronized drones come to life. They form this massive, fiery ring in the sky, and then the mythical monkey god Hanuman appears. The crowd just went wild as Hanuman gracefully descended through that glowing ring of fire, ready to battle his nemesis, Totsakan, also known as Ravana, from the Ramayana epic. The level of detail, the choreography, the sheer scale of it. It's breathtaking. People on both sides of the river were just stunned, phones out, capturing this magical moment. It's not just a light show, it's storytelling on a celestial scale. This is the kind of experience that reminds you how creative and amazing people can be. The way they use technology to bring this ancient story to life is just genius. It's a perfect blend of Thailand's rich culture and modern innovation. The energy from the crowd was electric, a mix of cheers, gasps, and pure awe. It's one of those you had to be there moments, but luckily, we've got the footage to share with you. This performance truly stole the show and has become the talk of the town. Now, if you're in Bangkok or planning a trip, you're in luck. The festival isn't over yet. It runs all the way until December 23rd at the Memorial Bridge. But listen up, because you'll want to time your visit right. The jaw-dropping drone shows, like the Hanuman one we just talked about, are happening on specific nights. Mark your calendars for December 5th, 12th and 19th. There's one show per night, so you don't want to miss it. And if that's not enough to get you excited, there are also spectacular fireworks displays lighting up the river. You can catch the fireworks on December 5th, 6th and 7th, then again on the 13th, 14th, 20th and 21st. Both the drone shows and the fireworks start at 8:45 p.m. each evening. It's the perfect way to spend an evening in Bangkok, surrounded by stunning visuals and a fantastic atmosphere. So grab your friends, your family, and head down to the Chao Phraya River for a night you will never forget. Thanks for watching. If you love seeing incredible cultural events and travel inspiration like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you more amazing content from around the world. See you in the next one.